This is the Cold Outreach Engine, or C.O.E. Think of it as an autopilot for email outreach, safe, controlled, and completely trackable. All you do is set your preferences, how many emails per day, which sequences to run, what messages to send, then it runs by itself, every day, automatically. This gives you the best of both worlds, harnessing the power of full automation without losing control. Instead of spending hours manually emailing prospects, this system handles entire drip sequences for you. Now, right now, I've set the daily limit to 2 emails. No matter how big your list is, the system stops after 2. This keeps your Gmail account safe and your sending reputation clean. And here's the sequence limit. Each contact will receive a maximum of 3 emails, then the system marks them as complete and stops forever so there's no accidental spam. Instead of my real outreach list, I'm pointing the system at a test tab with dummy contacts, which works perfectly for safe testing. Now here's that test tab. Same structure as a real outreach list, but with test emails and one real one I control. Notice the ready to send column. Eligible contacts must be marked Y to receive emails. This gives you exact control over who gets contacted and when. Now let's run the engine. No deployment needed. I just select the main function and hit run. The system will process the list, respect all the safety limits, and handle the entire sequence automatically. The log shows exactly what's happening in real time. You can see it checking each row, confirming email addresses, sequence steps, and ready status. It sends the first email, then the second, then stops with hit daily cap of 2, stopping for today. Complete transparency so you always know what the system is doing. Now back in the sheet, those 2 rows now show sent step 1 status, with clean timestamps showing exactly when they went out. The sequence step column incremented from 0 to 1, so tomorrow the system knows to send them email number 2 in the sequence. Everything else stays untouched until their turn comes up. And in Gmail, here are the actual sent emails automatically labeled for easy tracking. Gmail can take a few minutes to deliver to inboxes, but as you can see by the sent email, the system has already executed those sends and updated all the tracking data. And here's my favorite part. All your messages live in plain sight right here in the constants file. This system isn't locked away in some black box software. You get to see every single subject line, every body copy, every step. Want a 3-step sequence? Leave 3 templates here. Want 7 steps? Just add more objects into email templates and raise the max sequence steps number. The system does the rest, automatically sending each email in order, 1 per day, then marking that lead complete when they're done. Combine that with the daily limit up top, which keeps your account safe, and you've got the perfect mix of automation and control. Now, to actually automate this system, all you have to do is set a daily trigger with the parameters that work for you, then press save. You have event source options, select time based on triggers, as well as the intervals of when you want to send them hourly throughout the days. And that's the Cold Outreach Engine, a lightweight, transparent outreach autopilot designed to be powerful enough for serious campaigns, but simple enough for anyone to run. Set it once and let it work for you every day.